Now who else? Not with me. Wow! Watch it! Oh, sorry, Rainbow Pup. Snoopy with me. Oh. You okay? Yes. Good. Let's sort a statement together. Oh, okay, guys. First, let's check on Zippy's team. Okay, let's go, guys. Yep, we are. Oh, could you move it? Okay, fine. Good, guys. So let's go. Whoa, guys. I just saw something. Oh, what is a rattle lion? What is it, RL? I just saw this box. Oh, wow. It says Duraflame on it. Ooh. What? Yeah. Ta-da! Wow, that is so soft, Simba. Thanks, Mini Pig Pup. Now I have to open it. Oh! I got the box open. What? There's nothing here. Oh wait, there's one. There's a hat. Oh yeah, guys, look at me wearing this hat. Wow, that's all. That is good, Simba. Thanks, Mouse. And thanks, Mini Pig Pup. And Slinky Bunny. Wait, I gotta push it. Hey, yeah! Oh, I just found a light. What? There's a light? Yep, it is. I think I'll try it on. Whoa, this light's so good. Ha!